Good morning everyone and welcome to this morning's assembly. Hopefully you've had a great weekend. We're here today to talk about teamwork in a moment. So Harry and Finn are here. Finn's got his new Jelly t-shirt on there and Harry's got his new Preston t-shirt on there. Looking fantastic boys today. So we're going to talk about teamwork, but first of all, I missed one of the limerick poems. I missed Lucas and his limerick poems the other day, so I'm going to read one of them. Thank you to Lucas for getting these in. So I'm going to read Lucas's first. All around a sea of rainbow, yellow, green and blue, we shine like stars and you can too. Daddy does his work all day, Mummy bakes cakes like clay. Matey and I love to rhyme and so can you. So there is Lucas's limerick poem. It's fantastic. I'm going to do the winner at the end, but I have put dojos on for everyone who sent me in their poems, so a big thank you to everyone who did the poems last week. So today we're going to talk about teamwork and the importance of teamwork. Move forward, Harry, please. Okay, so we'll move on a little bit there. We're going to explain all about teamwork. There are some videos today. Can I just say it's really important today? All the videos are linked to this PowerPoint. So to get onto the videos today, you need to go through the PowerPoint. There's some really good videos that to do with this today. But what you need to do is you need to go onto the PowerPoint. You need to run through the PowerPoint and the link will work. If you just try to click on the link when they say watch, and you're not actually in the PowerPoint running it through as a PowerPoint, it won't work, but some really good videos today. So, first of all, what is a team? Boys, can you tell me what do you think a team is? What's a team?
Like people that work together.
Okay, brilliant, Harry, that's really good. A group of people who work together. So a team is a group of people who work together. And they're usually linked in some way. So you usually have some sort of link or connection to each other. So at this point you can stop and talk about where you might find the teams, where you might see lots and lots of different teams. We're going to go through that at the moment. Lots of us might be missing our teams at the moment. I know Finn asked about his football team yesterday, and we are all missing our teams and clubs and schools and things like that. So think about what different teams you know, which different teams there are in your life. So it could be a football team, it could be a team at work, the police, the nurses, there's a football team, all these different types of teams there as well. Your gymnastics clubs, a group of people together make a team. Your family is a bit of a team and you stick together, you have to do things together. Your family is like a team and you're trying to make your household better. Harry, move forward a little bit there. So, just stop there, Harry. Who else might work as a team? So you can stop at this point and think about animals that maybe work as a team. Boys, can you think of animals that work well as teams? Think of any animals that work well.
I don't know.
You don't know? You think of any animals that work as teams. You've got one in your hand there. Penguins. Penguins can work as a team sometimes. They work as a team to huddle together when it gets really, really cold. And they work as a team. So yeah, penguins can work as a team. Any others, Harry, you thought of any? No? Ants work as a team. They work as a team together to collect food. So do bees. Bees work as a team too. We talked about saving the bees last week. When they're going collecting,
Honey.
they don't collect honey. What do they collect? Begins with nectar. Well done. Harry thinks it's Neptune, that's a planet. But nectar, they collect nectar and then the pollen gets stuck all over them. So the nectar is the thing that they collect to go back to their hive. Okay, so they work as a team. So lots of animals. We're going to see some other animals now. Harry, press the button. There you go. There's some different animals that work as teams there. Ants, wolves, lots of animals that work as teams. Lots of birds work as teams as well. They fly in swarms, in groups. They fly to different places as well. Okay. Why do teams work together? So you can think at this point about why do teams work together. What's the importance of being a team? If an ant was on its own, would it be as good? If a footballer was just playing his own, would it be as good? So what's important about teams? Now at this point, if you've got the PowerPoint and you are on running through it like I am now, you will be able to. Harry, don't do this because we've not got time. You'll be able to watch a video there. It shows ants and how they work as a team. It's really, really good, that video there. So ants are stronger as a team. They are really, really strong when they work together. They can carry much heavier objects than when they don't work as a team. There we go. Nurses and doctors. Keep going, Harry. In hospital, staff work together as a team to make sure that everyone is safe and they can look after people in the best possible way. So they work in teams, they operate in teams, and they work together in teams. And there are birds at the top that I was talking about before. Harry, keep going. Birds migrate to warmer countries and they stay in a V shape and all flap their wings. So the bird at the front has the hardest job because they have to push the furthest. So when you see them flying like that in a group, there's actually a reason for it. It's to make it easier for the others, but this poor one at the front finds it the hardest. Okay, so why is teamwork important? Why are teams important then? From what I've just said, boys, what things are important about a team?
That's that like there has to be more than one.
Person. So what does it do? Why is it important to be in a team and not on your own? What's good about a team?
Because you can be stronger and.
Brilliant, stronger.
And you can help people.
You can help each other, that's it, that's really good. It makes you stronger and it makes you able to help each other. They're the two major reasons. It means that you can help each other and you are stronger together. Keep going, Harry. Brilliant. So it works, by working together, it can help you achieve things that maybe you can't do alone. So sometimes it may be really, really difficult, but as a team you can do it, and you can do it together. You can complete something more quickly, so you might be set a task, and as a team, and lots of times in school we work as teams, and you work in pairs to make you be able to be stronger and work better. Okay? So negotiate and compromise with others. It teaches you a very important thing, to compromise and work together. And it helps support people who are finding things difficult, so that's important as well. Okay, so on reflection, just don't really think about this, keep going, Harry. We're going to use team to help with this. We work together. Everyone works together to achieve more. So we can achieve more when we work together, everybody, to achieve the best we can. Okay, so keep going, Harry, to the end. I think we've nearly done that. There's another video there to watch. It's really funny. It's got the minions on it, lots of different things. It shows how working in a team can make you strong. There's two fantastic videos. Please try to watch them on there. They are so, so good. So think about your teams today. Even though we obviously can't see many of our teams at the moment, think about teamwork and the importance of it. And you can discuss that with your parents and hopefully have a great day. So final thing, the winner, I've given dojos to everyone, so everyone's a winner from the Limerick poem, but I have picked one that I thought was really good and had really good pictures, and that was Charlie's, that I absolutely loved, and I thought he put lots of effort in. So Charlie, you'll get 5 extra dojos, and you will get a prize as well. I'll make sure you receive that prize through the post. Okay, so well done to Charlie, well done to everyone else, have a great day, and we will see you soon. Say bye, guys.